Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add money and funds to your wallet on your PlayStation 5 Pro. So just on the home screen here, let's go up to Settings, and then go down to Users and Accounts. Then under here, let's wait for this to load and go to the right and go to Payment and Subscriptions. Manage your payment methods and subscriptions. Then go on down to where it says Add Funds. Add funds to your wallet. Now choose your credit card, your debit card, or redeem a code right here. And then you should be able to go through the process to pretty much add funds to your wallet. So here's my credit card. I'm going down to $5. Now it only allows you to go up to $60, which is strange because the games are like $70. So you have to add funds twice. So you have to go 60 and then seems like maybe even 25 if it comes out with tax at like $71. So you kind of have to do it twice. You got to add $25, or you're gonna have to do it 3 times. You got to add $60 and then maybe do $5 and $10 or something like that. You'll figure it out. I have faith in you. But just add your funds to your wallet right here. Then go on back under this menu. Then you can always check your funds too. A lot of times I just go to the PlayStation Store to check my funds and go all the way to the right. And I can see them on my name right here. Easy enough. So when I go through the payment method options, sometimes I just go through this menu as well. Then you can see redeem codes, subscriptions, transaction history, purchase settings. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.